Hello everyone, my name is Simran और I welcome you to my YouTube channel and today I'm going to share with you class 12th Business Studies chapter 4 and 5 MCQs। ठीक है, तो ये MCQs आपकी नॉलेज को टेस्ट करने के लिए काफ़ी फ्रूटफुल रहेंगे। तो आपने अगर ये चैप्टर्स रीड किए हुए हैं अच्छे से तो आप इन एमसीक्यूज को ज़रूर सॉल्व करना, ये आपको DSSB में काफ़ी काम आएंगे। ठीक है, व्हाट डज प्लानिंग प्रोवाइड फॉर एम्प्लॉयज टू इंश्योर इफिशिएंट अचीवमेंट ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल्स। तो प्लानिंग क्या प्रोवाइड कराता है? मोटिवेशन, डायरेक्शन, रिसोर्सेज, इंसेंटिव्स। तो इन चारों ही ऑप्शंस में जो बेस्ट और डायरेक्ट ऑप्शन हमें लगेगा हम उस पर टिक करेंगे, तो इसमें डायरेक्शन आएगा। ठीक है, क्योंकि मोटिवेशन प्रोवाइड कराता है, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है। रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड कराता है, ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है। तो इंसेंटिव्स प्रोवाइड कराता है, तो ये भी नहीं है। तो डायरेक्शन। हाउ डज प्लानिंग हेल्प मैनेजर्स इन डीलिंग विद फ्यूचर चेंजेस? तो आंसर सी, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ प्लानिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्टिविटीज एंड एफर्ट्स? तो आंसर बी, इंक्रीज्ड कोऑर्डिनेशन। What does planning promote among managers? So answer B, innovative ideas. What is the role of planning in decision making? It complicates the decision making process. So answer is no. It makes decision making unnecessary. No. It provides targets and evaluates alternatives. So answer C. How does planning assist in controlling organizational performance? By providing standards for measurement and evaluation. Without planning, how would employees likely work in different directions? Answer C. Planning helps in reducing wasteful activities by answer B. Planning allows managers to develop new ideas and convert them into concrete plans. Why is control considered blind without planning? Because प्लानिंग प्रोवाइड्स द बेसिस फॉर सेटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स। तो अब इनके आंसर्स देख लेते हैं, ये आंसर्स हैं। ठीक है, अगर आप चेक कर लेना। हाउ डज प्लानिंग अफेक्ट इंडिविजुअल इनिशिएटिव एंड क्रिएटिविटी अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोवाइडेड टेक्स्ट? तो इट encourages creativity. Why might planning not work in a dynamic environment? Because future anticipations are not always true. What is one of the significant costs associated with planning? So answer B. What is major drawback of time consuming nature of planning? So answer B. Does planning guarantee success? तो only when वाले हटा दो। ठीक है, तो yes, always. How does reliance on previously successful plans affect planning? तो अब इसके आंसर्स देख लेना। What effect does planning have on the creativity of lower management levels? It depends on the organization. How can detailed planning create a rigid framework in the organization? तो आंसर B. तो आंसर हो जाएगा आंसर C, fostering a dynamic approach. What is a possible outcome when plans take too long to draw up? There is little time for their implementation. Answer B. Which level of management is primarily responsible for planning and how does this affect creativity? Which level of management is primarily responsible for planning? तो top management. Answer C. ये इसके आंसर्स हैं, आप मैच कर लेना। ठीक है, which of the following can lead to the failure of planning due to changes in external policies? How do natural calamities, floods, earthquakes affect planning? They adversely affect the success of planning. What impact do changes in competitor strategies have on planning? They lead to success of planning. What impact do changes in competitor strategies have on planning? So they can lead to the failure of planning. Answer D. What role do technological changes play in planning? They have no impact on planning. They may affect planning regularly. Technological changes play in planning. They always hinder planning. They make affect planning regularly. They have no impact on planning. तो इसके आंसर्स जो है हम बाद में देखेंगे. हाउ डू चेंजेस इन इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल कंडीशंस अफेक्ट प्लानिंग? They enhance planning effectiveness. They have no effect on planning. They simplify planning processes. So answer B. What can be a consequence of changes in government policies and organizational plans? Greater stability. अच्छा, यहाँ पे चेंजेस इन गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज की बात हो रही है, तो ये हो सकता है कि फेलियर ऑफ प्लानिंग. हाउ डू नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स अफेक्ट प्रीवियसली ड्रॉन अप प्लान्स? They can render plans ineffective. Answer C. Why might changes in competitor strategies cause planning to fail? Why might changes in competitor strategies cause planning to fail? Because it leads to unexpected challenges. Answer B. What is one of the risks of regular technological changing and planning? Frequent adjustments required. In what way can changes in economic and social conditions impact planning? By increasing predictability of outcomes. तो ये इसके आंसर है, आप मैच कर लेना. What do objectives specify for an organization? Why is it important for objectives to be communicated to all employees at all levels? To reduce workload so they understand how their actions contribute to achieving objectives. To increase competition among employees. To ensure compliance with legal regulations. What are premises in the context of planning? So, physical location of company, assumptions that provide the basis for planning, job descriptions for employees, financial statements. Which of the following is an example of an internal premise? तो गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज, कंपटीशन, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस. तो टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस जो होता है वो बिल्कुल आउटर होता है, तो ये तो इसका आंसर नहीं होगा. What is the purpose of identifying alternative courses of action? To reduce the number of employees, to find multiple ways to achieve the objectives, simplify the planning process, to limit the options available. Which of the following is a possible way to increase sales mentioned in the text? Why is evaluating alternative course of action important? Determine feasibility consequence of each proposal. What does selecting the best alternative involve? Choosing the cheapest option, selecting the most feasible, profitable, least negative consequence plan. ये इसके आंसर्स हम बाद में देखेंगे. What is involved in implementing the plan? What is the purpose of follow-up action? तो ये इसके आंसर्स हैं, आप मैच करके देख लेना. What does the plan help an organization achieve? What is the plan in the context of organizational objectives? What is a single-use plan? Which of the following is a type of single-use plan? How long does a single-use plan typically last? What is an example of a single-use plan? What is a standing plan? Which of the following is a type of standing plan? What is the primary characteristic of a standing plan? Which plan focuses on organizational situations that occur repeatedly? What are objectives in the context of planning? What is an example of an objective? What are the strategies in the context of planning? What is an internal strategy? What is an external strategy? What do policies provide in the context of planning? What is an example of a policy? What do procedures determine? What is an example of a procedure? What do rules specify in the context of planning? What is an example of a rule? What are the methods in the context of planning? What is an example of a method? What is the key difference between single-use plan and standing-use plan? What is the scope of single-use plans? How stable are single-use plans compared to standing plans? What is the primary objective of a single-use plan? What is an example of a single-use plan? What is the primary objective of a standing plan? What is an example of a standing plan? How does a budget function as a single-use plan? What is the program in the context of a single-use plan? How often are standing plans used? What is the primary focus of a standing plan? What is an internal premise? What is an external premise? What is the importance of developing plans for an organization? What is the role of objectives in the planning process? What do strategies in planning help an organization face? Why are policies important in decision making? What is the function of procedures in an organization? How are rules different from procedures in planning? तो अब ये इसके आंसर्स हैं, ठीक है। आप इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर लेना और इसके आंसर्स मैच कर लेना। तो यहाँ पे चैप्टर खत्म हो जाता है। इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर करेंगे ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, ठीक है।